So as we are approaching winter here at Dulcie's King's Cross, we try and look for a we always try and look for a few different kinds of drinks to put on our menu. I kind of say that, but we're only going into our first winter now, so probably doesn't like we'll see how it goes. This one we're doing is the Trouble with Harry, which contains 10-year-old tawny port from the Barossa, the Beanley honey rum liqueur, a bit of Milo, a whole egg, and just a touch of simple syrup. The goal here being that it's a flip that's nice and creamy and rich, and that that you can just sit down and enjoy. My name's Tom. This is my drink, and I'm very, very proud of it, and I hope you enjoy it. So what we're going to start with is like with any drinks, we didn't say like what you should be doing is putting in the non-alcoholic ingredients in first. So nice and simple. Let's start by cracking an egg into a shaker. Drop that in there. Nice and easy. We're going to follow that up with our Milo. So this one, it's nice and chocolatey, and we want to kind of go with that 3 scoops. Trying to get in there. Bar spoons or teaspoons if you're doing this at home and don't have a bar spoon handy. 3 bar spoons of Milo. After that, we're going to put in just really easy 15 mils of simple syrup. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, sugar and water. You can do it richer, but I would put a little bit less in if you're going to be doing that. After that, we're going to start with our port. This is the bulk of the alcohol for them. You're going to put in 45 mils of tawny port. We use a 10-year-old from the Barossa, no particular reason, aside from the fact that's what we had handy. Then we're going to be using the Beanley honey liqueur. Again, this is one of those ones where we like the Beanley because it's nice, it's sweet, but it's not too sweet. It's a little bit boozier as well, so you kind of get upping the alcohol with this, though this is a fairly low alcohol cocktail because of the amount of water. Once that's done, we're going to do, so like I said, that's basically it. What we're going to do there is we're going to do a semi-wet shake to start off with, and then we're going to go for a dry shake. So this one, I'm going to go 2 cubes. Now, a lot of people, when you're putting egg whites into it, generally do a dry shake, then a wet shake. When these kind of things, because we want to be able to shake it fast and get it done nice and quickly. Stay close. And wrap it down. Just until you start to feel it frost up a little bit around the actual shaker. Give that a yeah, put in the rest of our ice. And again, shaking it. (10 to 30 seconds, depending on your ice, until it starts to frost up around your hands. We're then going to be putting it into a coupe glass. We tend to chill ours here, just keep them nice and cold until it kind of goes through. Keeps the drink colder for a little bit longer as well as you're doing it. And then double fine strain straight into like so. Put that aside. And we don't really bother to garnish here because I think that the drink speaks for itself as we're kind of going through. And that is our Trouble with Harry.